Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your mic works at system level. You must allow Steam or Proton access and pick the correct input device. Once done, launch Phasmophobia and open options to choose voice recognition so the game listens for commands. Make sure to set mic sensitivity just high enough to pick up your voice and decide whether push-to-talk is required. This avoids false positives. This gets you into the game-ready state and prepares the console to accept ghost interaction phrases immediately. Now you refine recognition by running the in-game mic test. Speak the sample phrases displayed and watch the feedback. As you test, tweak the noise gate and sensitivity and add a little microphone boost if responses are inconsistent. Make sure teammates mute if background chat interferes. This isolates your voice for cleaner detection. Practice the core ghost commands so you learn timing and phrasing. Voice recognition relies on consistent delivery, so repeat phrases naturally until they trigger reliably during a trial. Finish by using the system live. Join a hunt and speak concise phrases with 1 to 2 second spacing so the engine can parse them. After each run, note which phrases worked and make small adjustments to sensitivity or noise suppression. Iterative tuning improves accuracy. If you hit persistent failures, reboot the game, confirm drivers and Steam input settings, and try a different mic or USB port. These hardware resets often resolve stubborn recognition issues quickly. This gets you ready for consistent in-game voice use.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.